What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you guys how to add a button and an image in the free plan of a Mailchimp for your email campaigns. For that the process is very simple, easy and to the point, and I will be showing you exactly how to do it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. So first thing first, hit up the link in the description below to get to the Mailchimp, log in with the official account and navigate yourself to the email campaign area. If you don't know how to do it, let me show you guys. Go to the dashboard, go to the campaigns and select the campaign that you want to edit. For example, for me, I'm gonna go ahead and add this one, and then you will be able to click on edit design over here. Just go ahead and click on edit design option, and then you will see there are a bunch of options over here. Just drag and drop the image option under the content block where you want to add image, for example over here, and then you'll be able to see that there's an option to add it. If you don't have an image uploaded on your Mailchimp, no worries, you can upload it directly from your desktop or your laptop, anywhere from that. And then go ahead and click on that, and then you'll be able to upload your image just like that. Here you guys can see that my image has been uploaded, even though it's a bit blurry because the original dimensions were pretty low. So that is the way to add the image. For the button option, just go ahead and drag the button where you want to add it. For example, I want to add the button under the image option. I can add it. You can type anything for the button name, and that would be it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.